Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play alone in Rise of Nations Roblox. Playing by yourself offers a fantastic opportunity to hone your skills and experiment with different strategies without the pressure of other players. It's perfect for practicing your build orders, understanding unit counters, and exploring the game's mechanics at your own pace. We'll guide you through the simple steps to set up your very own private game, ensuring a smooth and to begin your solo adventure. First, head to the Rise of Nations game page on Roblox. Once there, you'll find a tab labeled Servers. Click on it. This will open up options for joining or creating games. Look for the Create Private Server button and select it. You'll then be prompted to name your server. Choose something memorable. This simple process ensures you have a dedicated space all to yourself, free from external interference. Now for the main event, upgrading pip. In the terminal, type Python mpip install upgrade pip and press enter. This command tells Python to use its module runner to upgrade pip itself. The process is usually very quick, often completing in just a few seconds, depending on your internet connection and system speed. Playing alone in Rise of Nations offers numerous advantages for skill development. You can practice new build orders and unit compositions without the stress of real opponents. Focus on perfecting your economic management, ensuring a steady flow of resources. Experiment with various nations to understand their unique strengths and weaknesses. This dedicated practice time will significantly improve your strategic thinking and decision-making, making you a much stronger player in public matches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.